Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into the microscopic world inside plant and algal cells to uncover the secrets of some truly amazing organelles called plastids. You might have heard of chloroplasts, the little green powerhouses of the plant world, but there's a whole family of plastids, each with a unique and vital job. So, what exactly are plastids? Think of them as tiny factories and storage units within the cell, essential for life itself, handling everything from making food through photosynthesis to storing it for later. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see plant cells in a whole new light. Let's start at the very beginning with proplastids. These are like the baby plastids young, immature, and full of potential. You'll find them in the actively growing parts of a plant, like the tips of roots and shoots in what are called meristematic cells. Proplastids are amazing because they can divide and replicate themselves, ensuring that as the plant grows, all the new cells get their share of these important organelles. What's really cool is that a proplastid's destiny isn't set in stone. Depending on where it is in the plant and whether it gets exposed to light, it can develop into different types of specialized plastids. It's like a stem cell, but for organelles. Now, what happens when a proplastid grows up in the dark, away from sunlight? It often becomes a leucoplast. Leuco means white, so as you can guess, these are colorless plastids. You'll find them in the non-photosynthetic parts of a plant, like the roots, seeds, and the inner parts of stems. Their main job is storage. They are the pantries of the plant cell. Leucoplasts are further classified based on what they store. If a plant needs to store energy in the form of starch, like in a potato, it uses amyloplasts. If it's storing fats or oils, like in a castor bean, those are called elaioplasts. And if it's storing proteins, which is common in many seeds, it relies on proteinoplasts. So, the next time you eat a potato or use vegetable oil, you can thank these hardworking leucoplasts. But what about all the beautiful colors we see in nature? The vibrant reds of a rose, the bright orange of a carrot, or the yellow of a ripe banana. That's where chromoplasts come in. Chromo means color. These plastids are responsible for synthesizing and storing pigments other than the green chlorophyll. They give flowers and fruits their stunning hues. This isn't just for show, though. These bright colors play a crucial role in the plant's life cycle. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to flowers, ensuring the plant can reproduce. They also attract animals to eat the fruit, which helps in spreading the seeds far and wide. So, chromoplasts are the artists of the plant world, painting a colorful landscape that is essential for survival and reproduction. Finally, let's talk about the most famous member of the plastid family, the chloroplast. Chloro means green, and these are the plastids that contain the green pigment chlorophyll, found in the leaves and other green parts of a plant. Chloroplasts are the site of one of the most important processes on Earth, photosynthesis. They capture energy from sunlight and use it to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, the sugary food that fuels the plant's growth. In doing so, they also release the oxygen that we and most other living things need to breathe. Essentially, chloroplasts are solar-powered food factories that sustain not only the plant, but almost all life on our planet. From the humble proplastid to the specialized leucoplasts, chromoplasts, the plastid family is a perfect example of cellular teamwork. So there you have a tour of the incredible world of plastids. They are so much more than just the green bits in a plant cell. They are the builders, the storekeepers, the artists, and the power generators. Each type plays a critical role, allowing plants to grow, reproduce, and support the entire ecosystem. It's a fascinating system that shows just how complex and wonderful life can be at the cellular level. I hope you found this journey into the plant cell as interesting as I do. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.